The Court of Arbitration for Sports, which has recently been in the news in the Paris Olympics due to the ongoing appeal by Vinesh Phogat, is once again in the spotlight. Recently, the CAS overturned a decision made during the Olympics in gymnastics. It involved an American, Jordan Chiles, getting the bronze medal over a Romanian, Ana Barbosu, after an additional 0.1 points were given on appeal by USA. However, the decision raised a lot of eyebrows as it came outside the 1-minute window. With this reversal, is there hope for a similar reversal in Vinesh's case? Nikhil Naz explains from Paris.
Just as the entire sporting fraternity is focused on the Vinesh Phogat versus UWW case, there emerges another verdict that has come from the Court of Arbitration for Sports here at Paris 2024. Will it have repercussions on the Vinesh Phogat case? That is something that we're going to discuss going forward. Now, what is that case? Let me give you a bit of a background. Jordan Chiles is an American gymnast that participated in the finals of the floor exercise of gymnastics. She actually finished in the 5th position with a score of 13.7. However, her coaches were not happy with the way the judges gave her points, and they appealed that to the International Gymnastics Federation, saying that they have been dealt a raw deal and that their gymnast should have been given more points for the performance that she gave. After review, the International Body of Gymnastics agreed with the US coaches and gave her additional points. So eventually her score from 13.7 almost touched to 13.8, just minutely short of 13.8. But what that did was push Jordan Chiles from number 5th to the number 3rd spot, and then she was given the bronze medal. But then there was a twist in the tail. There was a Romanian gymnast who had earlier finished 3rd. She got pushed to 4th, and the Romanian team took this case to CAS, Court of Arbitration for Sports, saying that they have been dealt with unfairly and that their gymnast deserves this particular medal. Now, there was a technicality with Court of Arbitration looked at and actually ruled in favor of the Romanian gymnast, and the Romanian gymnast was given the bronze, and the American gymnast Jordan Chiles has been asked to return that bronze medal. And why is it that CAS ruled in the Romanian gymnast's favor? Because there is a 1 minute, I beg your pardon, 1 minute time after the result comes on the board. There is a 1 minute time during which the coaches of a gymnast can lodge a protest. And what had actually happened was that they had launched the protest in 1 minute 4 seconds. So they actually launched a protest 4 seconds later than the stipulated time on that day. And that is something Court of Arbitration for Sports looked at, and that's why it changed the decision and ruled in favor of the Romanian gymnast. Now, does it have any bearing on the Vinesh Phogat case? Well, not quite. Yes, the only thing which is common is that yes, Court of Arbitration has overturned the decision taken by the international body. That's the only thing that's common. But here, the international body in wrestling followed the rules. That's what happened in Vinesh Phogat's case. In the gymnastic case, the international body for gymnastics did not follow the rules. So that's the only difference. That's why CAS ruled in favor of the Romanian gymnast. That doesn't necessarily mean they'll rule in favor of Vinesh Phogat as well. However, this case does highlight one very important factor, and that is the need for sports law experts along with team. Now remember, all teams have nowadays, apart from their coaches, they have physiotherapists, dietitians, trainers, various other support staff to ensure that the athlete performs at the best level. There's a doctor also that travels with a contingent in the Olympic Games. Maybe it's time now for most Olympic contingents to also carry with them our sports law experts, because if these things come up, then all the laws and what is to be done at what point, these experts would know. And that is what this particular case highlights, alongside the case of Vinesh Phogat. In Paris, Nikhil Naz, India Today.